they sent me to the Arbeiterring, the workman's circle, and they later told me that it was a compromise between one of my parents, who wanted me to go to a religious school where I would learn Hebrew, and one who didn't want me to have any of that. And they never told me which was which, but I'm pretty sure it was my father who would have wanted me to go to a religious school, but I didn't. And so I went to the local workman's circle, and my parents, and there are millions of people who have this story, my parents spoke Yiddish in the home to tell secrets. The moment they sent me to the Arbeiterring, they stopped speaking Yiddish in the home. So I went for 4 years, and I don't remember ever talking Yiddish to my parents. So it was the usual American Jewish story is my parents didn't teach me Yiddish. But in my case, they sent me to learn Yiddish, but then they didn't talk to me in Yiddish. So I'll never figure it out why they did that. I think it was that it was some kind of Jewish education that they could agree on.